The readings are stable, but we'll need to stabilize the ridge first.
Agreed. Let's mark the foundation area.
Check. Commencing diagnostics. The sensor confirms the soil stability.
Agreed. We can begin excavation here.
Let's mark the foundation perimeter.
The readings are stable.
Let's connect this section to the main grid.
Watch the cabling, it's heavy.
Sector Alpha is secured.
Copy that. Moving to Sector Beta.
Stand by for ring alignment. The primary grid is stable.
Initiating torque check on the perimeter rail.
Status green on Sector 7.
All right, secure that joint.
Doing it now.
Check the alignment over here. Looks good. Proceeding. Line up the port. I've got the panel. Hold it steady. Almost there, just a bit more. Verified secure. Check the next section.
Secure the bracket.
Confirmed.
Robot, move to Station 3.
The connection is secure on this side. Acknowledged, working on the other.
Hologram stabilizing, proceed with diagnostics.
Diagnostic.
Panel secured. Heading to the entrance.
Scan complete. We're on schedule.
Initiating internal diagnostics now. Status looks green. Secure the bracket. Confirmed. Proceeding to next section. Watch the seal pressure. Status green.
Line it up here. Got it. Secure the flange. Good. Ready for the next one. Line 1 clear. Connecting now. Copy that. Proceed. All right, let's get this aligned.
Ready the hydraulic seal.
Monitoring pressure, looks good. Line it up here, that's it. Got it. Now, the diagnostic scan. Checking connections now. Line it up with the circle. Got it. Now for the drill. I think that's got it. Copy that. Looks good from here. Cable secure. Switching power now. Status green. Thumbs up. Affirmative. Good work, team.
The atmospheric pressure is stabilizing. Confirming power levels. We're ready for the external scan. Proceed with caution.
Check the pressure on panel 3. Readings look good here. Initiating primary sequence now.
The atmospheric readings are stable now. Good. Check the power grid stability.
Power is holding steady at 90% efficiency.
All right, check the seal on that one. Locking it in now. Needs to go up a fraction. Perfect. Hand me the welder.
Almost finished with this valve.
Okay, I have the hose.
Setting up the diagnostics now. Stand by for pressure check.
Bed looks ready. Move to the oxygen scrubber check.
Roger.
Initiating diagnostic now.
The connection is stable.
Good. Now this one goes here.
I'll check the power grid.
The storm's getting closer.
Can we hold out here?
We have to try.
Initiating core sequence.
Trigger systems are nominal.
Readings stable.
Proceeding with activation.
Does that look right? Yes, perfect. Let's step back and check.
Check the systems. Check the systems. Verified. Verified. Everything looks optimal. Do you see that structure near the ridge?
Yes, I see it. It's stable.
Checking comms.